Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start now. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder you want. Once there, press Shift and right-click on blank space to reveal the extended context menu. Select Open PowerShell window here if present. Alternatively, click the address bar, type PowerShell and press Enter to start a session in that folder. These methods put you straight into the working directory. Make sure you pick the correct folder before continuing. This avoids extra CD commands later. Once the window appears, you may want PowerShell Core or an elevated session. If you prefer Core, type PWSH and press Enter. For Windows PowerShell, use PowerShell. To run as administrator, type Start Process PowerShell verb run as and confirm the UAC prompt. Make sure to change directory with CD path if needed, though most methods start you in the right folder. If you use Windows Terminal, choose the PowerShell profile to preserve color and profile setting. You should verify you're in the correct place by running get location and check the engine with $PS version table. PS version. If you plan to run scripts, set an appropriate policy. Set execution policy, remote sign scope current user. Once done, execute commands or scripts as needed. If the context menu option is missing, hold Shift while right-clicking, use the address bar method, or re-enable the command via Windows Settings or Registry. This single troubleshooting step fixes most missing menu problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.